Preparing and cooking fish doesn't have to be intimidating. Let's walk through the steps together. The fishmonger will do most of the work of prepping your fish for you. But when you get it home, it's always a good idea to check for pin bones and loose scales. Before removing the pin bones, pat the fish dry and wipe away any scales. You can buy a pair of fish tweezers or just use pliers to remove the pin bones. When you find a pin bone, use the tweezers to gently wiggle the pin bone loose and then pull to remove it. A little dish of water will make removing the pin bones from the tweezers easier. Oven baking and slow roasting is great for whole sides, but I like pan searing fillets. It's faster and more thrilling. Skip non-stick, which isn't great for high heat cooking, and grab a cast iron skillet for a great sear. Take the fish out of the fridge about 30 minutes before you cook it. Heat the pan over high heat and add a little bit of oil. Season the fish right before cooking. Gently add the fish to the pan skin side down. You want that skin to get nice and crispy. Cooking time on the first side is going to vary depending on the size of your fillet. You want to do most of the cooking on this side before you flip it so you get a really crisp skin. Otherwise, you'll end up with fish skin that's chewy and less than awesome. A fish spatula is great for turning the fish over, but you can also use tongs or use them both together. You know the fish is ready for flipping when the sides are mostly cooked and the top is just a little bit raw. We're gonna flip it and cook it for just a few minutes on the other side. A little kiss of the heat. Rewind that. This is what a perfectly cooked fillet looks like. See how the sides are opaque and the bottom is just beginning to brown? See how the proteins are coming out the side here? This is a sign that you've overcooked your fish. This overcooked fillet is dry and hard to cut into. This perfectly cooked fillet breaks into big, juicy pieces. Now you know how to pan sear any piece of fish with confidence. Thanks for watching.